Welcome to this tutorial for the Phantom 4 RTK. A remote controller with a built-in screen and 4G dongle are required to conduct CLOUD PPK calculations with a Phantom 4 RTK. You can purchase activation codes for CLOUD PPK service from DJI authorized dealers. CLOUD PPK works regardless of the distance or quality of communication between a base station and an aircraft. It is intuitively designed and is perfect for applications where signal reception is poor or places without network RTK coverage. Update the firmware of your aircraft and remote controller to the latest versions before flight. After the flight mission, remove the micro SD card from your aircraft and insert it into the slot on the right side of the remote controller. If you wish to use the ephemeris data provided by a third-party base station to conduct CLOUD PPK calculations, please convert the satellite observation data collected during the flight into standard RENX files and save them in the path micro SD card. Tap the menu icon in GS RTK app and enter Settings. Tap CLOUD PPK Service, My Account. View your account information and the information of aircrafts with CLOUD PPK service activated. Tap Create Task. The remote controller will read data on the micro SD card automatically. Choose PPK source datasets for tasks that need to be calculated and click Submit. Then, the remote controller will check for CLOUD PPK service availability and data time span. If less than 5 minutes of PPK source data is available, calculations can still be done, but the accuracy could be affected. Proceed to select base station data if no error pops up. If you used a DRTK2 mobile station, choose DJI mobile station as the base station type. Connect the base station and the remote controller with USB-C OTG and USB-C cables, and upload the base station's PPK source data. If you used a third-party base station, choose RENX data instead. Please note that if you've chosen DJI mobile station or RENX data, the data collection time span needs to align with that of the aircraft, or the calculation accuracy could be affected. After uploading CLOUD PPK tasks, you can check the real-time calculation progress in current tasks. Tap Past Tasks to view the calculation results. The calculation data will be saved in the folder named result.csv on the micro SD card. You can get the high accuracy model data by using the PPK results to run a reconstruction of the same task in DJI Terra.